step ka bakmen ya pi baro agni ka step na kwa nai khublei yo chief minister Jrong ka jala Meghalaya ublai jiba mardor ya ka jingdawa Jrong ka voice of the people party ban Pynmih Paidbah no ya ka report Jrong ka expert committee wat lada ka party ka Sngewkoit ya ka jingkren ka jung chief minister ubla penpau ba ka daw ka bala penong ya ka sokar ba kama ban Pynmih Paidbah kloi ya ka nika report ka day na marba ka nika report kala Jrong pala bat kala Khia pala ngim pat ju kami Sngewkoit ya ka bakum kani ka jing ai daw jong ka sokar lese ka sokar MDA balai lam ka NPP ka pension rim ya ka policy da ka jing Jrong bat ka jing Khia jong ka policy nyuma ni don ka jing kamen ko scam baga sokar kan shu kula thli ban Pynmih Paidbah no ya ka report bangi the community passion ka sokar jala kan Pynmih Paidbah no ya ka report jong ka expert committee publish board. Good morning everyone. In this morning I would like to thank the chief minister for his swift response to the demand of the voice of the people party in respect to the report of the expert committee. Even though the party feels it is rather strange to hear from the chief minister that the reason for the delay to announce the report of the expert committee is because the report was too lengthy and too heavy. This is the first time that we have come across this kind of an excuse. Perhaps the NPP led government determines the quality and effectiveness of a policy by the length and the weight of the policy document. Anyway, the party hope that this is not going to be an empty promise to the people and that soon the government will come out with a report without further delay. Thank you.